To do this, for example, take this text that I want to connect my data with. For the first step, you need to go to the app and search for Bulk Create and Bulk Create. Just click on Bulk Create. Yeah, it's the first one. So just click on it. If you have a CSV, TSV, or XLSX file, you can upload it from your computer as well. If you have a lot of data and information, just upload it from your computer. However, for now, I will manually enter all data, so now I can add anything I want, like this. You can manually upload your data like this. Just add it, and if you want to add another text, another column will appear. For now, I will just work with one column. After entering your data, just click on Done. Now I want to connect this data with this text. So I'll right-click on the text and Connect Data. After that, here is the list that I have added my data to. If you want to preview it, just preview it. This is how it looks. Now, continue and create 5 regions. Now you can see my data has been connected with this text. If you want to disconnect, just click here on the Disconnect button. If you want to reconnect it, just connect data with the same and continue creating 5 regions. Yeah, that was the simple process. That's how you can continue and create a series in bulk mode in Canva. And it will be saved in your project with the name, and it will be stored in your project. If you check your project, your design has been saved there. So yeah, that was a simple process to create in bulk mode. For example, if you're creating a lot of documents, you need to do it in bulk. Then this step will help you. If you have any confusion or questions about this video or any other, comment below and I will answer all your questions. I'll see you in the next video.